Hello and welcome to Robotics with Om sir. In this video, I will show you how to install and use Arduino IDE. So let's get started. Firstly, open any web browser and search for Arduino IDE. Then here you have to click on first link Arduino IDE. This is the official website of Arduino www.arduino.cc. Just accept the cookies and scroll down. Here you will find different versions for different operating system. So we are using Windows. So I will click on Windows. After clicking on Windows, click on just download and click again on just download. So it will start the downloading of your Arduino IDE. Also, if you are having some money, you can donate on their website. So we will wait until the download completes. Now it's downloaded. Just click on open file and then this is the zip file. We have to extract it. So I will click on extract all. Click on extract. So it will extract that zip file. So here I will show you. Go to downloads and this is the zip file Arduino IDE. This is the zip file and we have to extract this zip file. So after extraction you will find the zip file here and in this folder you will find your Arduino IDE is installed. So this is one portable version. You can transfer it in pen drive and you can use it as a portable version. So second option we will see. So this is the first option. By using this you can install your Arduino IDE. And if you want to install more quickly, you can search for store. So it will open Microsoft Store. Go to Microsoft Store. Here search for Arduino and hit enter. Here you have to click on Arduino IDE and if you click on get, it will install the Arduino IDE directly from here. So this is the official way. If you want to install, you can install from Microsoft Store also. But I found this portable version is very useful. If you want to take it in pen drive, you can. Now still it is extracting. It will take some time. We'll wait and then we will start our Arduino IDE and we will explore the options. You can also run it as administrator. Here you can see it's open. Now I will maximize this. Here you are having select board port. Click on allow. If you have connected your board, it will show the name here. Whatever the board is Arduino, and from here also you have to select that board. So this is to select the board, and in tools you will find serial monitor. Here you can find readings, sensor values, and in manage libraries you can add or search for new libraries. So this option is very useful if you want external libraries in your program. Also here is the port. If you have connected multiple boards, so you have to select port like port 3, port 5, and depending on your computers or systems. Then after connecting port also you will get some extra options. Here sketch means you have to create the program. You're having any program, it is called as sketch, and actually this sketch we have to upload into Arduino board. Firstly create sketch and then these are buttons to upload code. This will upload the code and this will debug the code or verify, we can say. So while writing here you have to write code in C++ and then using this button you can upload this code into your Arduino board. So this is just simple explanation of this Arduino IDE. In next video we will see some advanced options in this Arduino IDE, how we can configure this IDE for different PCB boards. So thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more information.